Hey everyone, so we're out here burning the old midnight oil on the camper again. I need to get it operational where I can sleep in it this weekend. So it's Monday night now and I need it pretty much done by Thursday. And luckily we have the old public holiday on Thursday, which is handy. So I can spend most of the day finishing it off. Now, what I'm trying to do here, excuse the mess again, been doing, as I showed in my last video, we've been doing the foam board, or foil board, roof and walls. Now, this stuff is pretty cool. It's left over from the build of my father-in-law's sort of granny flat that he's building. Now, I was just talking about this in my previous clip. This is like a closed cell foam. Well, no, sorry, it is a open cell foam. And this is actually a sisalation, so this stuff is pretty expensive. I think it's 12 mil, but yeah, it's got the proper full covered sisalation either side of it and a foam core. So you could say it's a little bit, arguably a bit better quality than what's on the board. That's 25 mil styrofoam, and this stuff is going to go underneath the sleeping deck. Now, I did say in a previous clip that deciding whether I was going to put it, line it straight down on the floor. I think what I'm going to do is, just for ease of attachment, so this is the floor from up the top headboard there. There's that piece right there. It goes along here. And it's upside down, so the carpet is facing down at the moment. Now, I have measured and cut this piece here to size. You can see a little bit smaller because of the framework, where the framework sits. Anyway, that's going to go on there. My theory is use a bit of liquid nails, and I was going to use screws. I think what I'm going to do is staple it. It turns out that these are the cheapest, so it's just basically to hold this on, because I mean they pretty much use like a staple type fixture anyway, and this isn't going to pull through. This stuff is not like foam, like on the wall. Oh, foam, sorry, foil. That's foil that just tears easily. It's like point nothing. This stuff here is basically what you'd have on, like, you know, like a chook feed bag. That same material, except it's got a foam, what do I keep saying foam? Foil lining on it. So if I put a staple through that, it's not going to tear easily. So yeah, the theory is little liquid nails, make sure it's pressed down, and then staple it on. That's all for now. Please like and subscribe.